The kids are with me today, and Daddy has to drive across the whole entire state to the whole opposite end of the state and go to one of his offices. Who loves Mom most?
Me!
Listen, you stay-at-home moms, I don't know how you do it. I don't think I could do it. Alright, so today is another snow day. I think we're snowed in. Not that much, but we have a little snow. But Daddy has a little bit of an issue. The kids are with me today, and Daddy has to drive across the whole entire state to the whole opposite end of the state and go to one of his offices. One of his offices flooded. A pipe burst and it flooded. So we need to go look at it. We need to go see if it's okay. We need to go check it out. I think a bunch of equipment got broken, got ruined, so we're gonna go and check it out and make sure it's okay. The kids are in for a mini hour drive. They don't know it yet. I told them to bring their iPads so they can do homework and bring headphones. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can get there okay. We have to go through the mountains. It's gonna be really shaky. I'd driven through there one time before when it snowed really bad, and there was no snow here, but there was a lot of snow there. So I'm interested to see how it goes. Hopefully we can make it. We'll see. Okay. We'll see how the kids do. Yeah. Alright, so we are heading to one Dad's office. We're gonna work at one Dad's office today. So one of Dad's offices flooded.
Oh my.
Yeah. And a pipe burst and it sounds like it flooded and a whole bunch of stuff got ruined. So Daddy needs to go out there and I need to look at it and check it out and make sure it's okay. And see if there's anything that needs to be done. We've had some people go out and clean it, but I'm sure it's just destroyed and I don't know. So I'm really worried. So we're going to drive out there.
Okay.
The problem is,
Yes.
it's like maybe like 3 hours away.
Okay.
1 hour, one way. So it's gonna be a long drive.
Okay. 3 hours there, or
It's like, no, it's like 3 hours there.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It was have fun time.
It's not okay. It doesn't look like it's okay with Eminem. Eminem knows what 3 hours is.
Oh my god.
3 hours is almost at Disney World, huh?
Torture.
Anyway, so it is what it is. We'll see what happens. But even worse, the roads between here and there are not supposed to be good. So
That's
Okay.
even worse. 8 hours there.
8 hours there.
8 hours there.
You're right. All right, so here we go. We're about halfway there, so that's going good. I'll show you some of the scenery. Alright guys, so listen. So I didn't actually take the camera into the building. I don't know why, I completely forgot. Dad dropped the ball. But multiple pipes bursted. The ceiling was coming down in multiple places. It was so dirty and so cold and nasty. The whole place was covered in dust. A company already came out and cleaned up a little bit. It got the water out, but man, it's bad and there's multiple things wrong. I don't know. So Dad's gonna have to go back up there in a few days. What do you guys think, huh?
It was freezing. Very cold. Yeah. It is so cold.
They turned the fire department turned the electricity off to the building, so I don't even know how we're supposed to heat it. And I don't know, man. It sucks. It sucks a lot. And the insurance company's coming out Monday. The insurance company's coming out soon, so hopefully they'll cover it because we can't pay for it. So hopefully we get taken care of. Where are we now?
We're at Chick-fil-A for some lunch.
Yeah.
And then we'll be
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, then home.
Yay!
Home.
See Sanford.
Yep. We just got done with Chick-fil-A, and that Chick-fil-A has been there for a long time. Everyone was trained great. It was fast, man. We went so fast. It was super busy. The kids got exactly what they want. I had the kids order all their own food. They usually do it at restaurants. Mom usually does it for them at fast food. But this time it was really loud in there. I said, listen kids, you guys are doing it on your own. If you order the wrong thing, you say the wrong thing, you don't say it loud enough, that's on you. You will not eat. And guess what? Booyah! They did it all perfect. And even Eminem, do you remember what the Chick-fil-A lady said to us after you ordered?
Your kids did better than most kids did.
Yeah, she's like, I was gonna commend you guys on how well you did, how loud you spoke, how perfect you were. You knew exactly what you wanted. You didn't goof around. Way to go. So, hey kids, way to go. I appreciate that. I told her that we spank our kids a lot, which is not true, but it's funny to say because people usually go, really? So I usually say, yeah, we spank our kids a lot. And she said, she kind of laughed, but she said, honestly, they order better than some grown-ups, because some grown-ups go in there and they don't even know what they want. So I'm kind of glad that they dominate, and my kids dominate. They're good. Sometimes they need knuckle sandwiches, sometimes they need wedgies, but in general, they are excellent kids. And that's all because of their wonderful mother. Their mother is a ninja, and I appreciate that. Love you, honey. We're done driving. We've been driving all day long, all day. And now we're hanging out. We're waiting for karate to start. These guys have so much energy.
I just want to jump out the window right now.
I know.
Because look at Big Man, he's getting ready to jump out. It's time to jump. I'm sliding down the slide.
I know. And I've been telling them to hurry up and let's hang out and stop making so much noise and let's
calm
go.
down. But we can't because we have too much energy.
Yeah.
We're so creative right now. Like, he didn't ever know until now that a seat can be a slide. No? Shh. Don't tell them that you already knew that. I do that in Mom's tummy.
What, you did what in Mom's tummy?
Slid. Yeah. On her belly. Like that?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. You know what you did?
What?
I farted. You were like this. I farted. I farted. I'm a little baby. I stuck my thumb. You did that. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. I kissed my mom's belly. I want. That's what I did.
Who loves Mom most?
Me. Every single time that Mom leaves, I wave to her like 5 times.
Oh wow, you waved to her. What do you do?
I wave to her 1,000 bajillion, bajillion.
She waves more than you do. Hey,
I give her infinity and beyond hugs.
Hey, you're gonna break my chair, okay? So why don't you set it up? Hey, sit up, please. Hey, Sunshine, sit back. Relax. Relax. Guys, alright, so we're back home. 5-6 hours driving. Karate, McDonald's, and Chick-fil-A, a flooded office, a lot of work. Listen, you stay-at-home moms, I don't know how you do it. I don't think I could do it. Hang out with these little kids, I love them, but man, hang out with them all the time, deal with them. I think I'd rather be at work. They're good, but they're good. They're really good kids. I enjoyed my time with them. I enjoyed hanging out with them. So listen, I hope that you guys enjoyed Daddy's vlog today, and I hope everything works out. Look who's home! It's Mommy. Hey Mommy, how was work? Good. Alright, so that's Daddy's vlog for today. Comment down below and please say that you don't want Daddy to do it again, because it's kind of hard to vlog.
lot of work.
It's a lot of work. I can't believe Aaron does it so well. Anyway, hey, see you guys. Peace.